Tech. Today's video is going to be a teardown of a laptop hard drive. Let's see what's inside of this laptop hard drive and see what kind of components we can salvage. Let's get started. As you can see, this is a 320 gigabyte hard drive, and I wrote bad on it because it's actually a failed drive that doesn't work, so I have no use for it at all. So what I'm going to do is rip off the label. I'm going to use an 8 torque screwdriver, and I'm going to go ahead and unscrew the screws. And right there under that little plastic there is a hidden screw. Now I'm going to go and pop it open, and there we go. So pretty much the same thing as like what you see in a large hard drive. The exact same thing, it's just smaller is the only difference. So let's go in a little deeper. So at this point is to see a screw, remove a screw, see a screw, remove a screw. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this part here. And here are the connections. Oh, that contains gold. Good, I can salvage that part for gold. I'm going to go and flip this little paddle off, and there's a neodymium magnet. Very nice. And here is the little arm reader. Go ahead and remove the screw from behind, and now I got that removed. That contains some gold, and that part has some gold pins. Can salvage it for that. And yeah, those pins contain pure gold, so I can salvage it for that. Or it could be even plated gold, not sure. But it's still salvageable. And even in the inside here contains gold. So this contains a fair amount of gold. Definitely worthy enough to salvage. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove this second panel that contains the second neodymium magnet. And there we go, got the neodymium magnet. Oops, they stuck together. Well, that's normal. I'll deal with those later. Now let's go ahead and remove the chrome plated platter, which holds all of the information. Apparently, in this case, all corrupted, messed up information. There we go. I've removed the little cap. And now the platter just pops right out. Not much use that I can do with this platter. Maybe try to extract the platinum, but the platinum on that is very little. So as you can see with this light, I might just use it as a reflector. Or do something cool with it. That looks kind of pretty. I might do something interesting with this, but I'm not sure what though. But we'll see. I might come up with a good idea in the future. And I'm going to go ahead and remove this PCB. going to go ahead and pop it open because that one part did not remove, so I'm going to have to break the PCB to get to it. Because that screw got all chewed up, so I need to break it out and break it free. There we go. Even that part contains a little bit of gold. That's definitely good to keep. Okay, and now it will pry open, just like that. Little insulating paper. And break off that piece of the PCB. And as you can see, that's what's inside. And there are the gold pins right here that I can use. There's the gold pins there that I can salvage. Gold connectors, I can salvage that for gold. And even these pins here that lead to these pins right here is also made of gold. Maybe not pure gold, probably plated, but still good enough to keep. So now I'm going to just flatten it back out. Some microcontrollers, potentially useful. And there you have it, and that's what's inside of a laptop hard drive. Some parts are for the trash, and some parts are worth keeping. There's these parts here for gold and other precious metals that I may salvage. Gold here that I may salvage as well. And gold that's all around here. This contains platinum, but I don't think I want to mess with that. Neodymium magnets. I like neodymium magnets. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these magnets. Just like that. And it pops out just like that. Now that steel piece I can toss. There we go. And here are parts that I may keep. The magnets, the screw, this little screws are always very useful to have. Neodymium magnets are also very useful to keep. To hold all of your screws if you want. That's what I usually use them for. And this little cap here, not sure what to do with it, but could be useful. Might use it to control a flame or something, not sure what. This little spinning motor here contains gold too, but I might salvage it for the gold or use it for what it is. Possibly, but I'll give it a try. And all these parts, trash. Useless. And there you have it. Thank you for watching SciTi Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more SciTi Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.